Sound check, test mic 1, 2, test mic 1, 2. Sound check, test mic 1, 2, sound check. Okay, good evening to all. Before our long weekend, and happy long weekend sa lahat. Hindi na po tayo sa ating pagre-review, Master Plumber Review, Part 3 for aming code 401 to 425. Before we proceed sa ating review, let's encourage you to subscribe to this MCGI channel, Diversity Principles in Economics MCGI channel. And sa mga civil engineers na working, residing in Caloocan City, encourage you to join to this group for eventual creation of the BRICE Caloocan City chapter. Yan, binabati ko yung aking mga ka-office mate. Yan, Engineer Limuel, Anglia, Engineer Ronnie Bambao, and Architect Vincent Valenciano. Yan. Okay, tuloy na tayo. 401 to 425. 401. Blank design shall be such as to produce a clarified effluent consisting with accepted standards and shall provide adequate space for sludge, scum, and accumulation. The answer is septic tank. Masyadong mataas. Septic tank design shall be such as to produce a clarified effluent consistent with standards and shall provide adequate space for sludge and scum accumulation. Yan, 402. The inlet compartment of any septic tank shall be not less than blank, the total capacity of the tank, nor less than blank liquid capacity, and shall be at least 1.5 by 0.9 meter. The answer is 2/3 and 2 cubic meter. Yan, 2/3, 2/3. So, bitin ko buuin na natin. The inlet compartment of any septic tank shall be not less than 2/3 of the total capacity, 2/3 of the total capacity of the tank, nor less than 2 cubic meter liquid capacity, and shall be at least 1.5 by 0.9 meter. 403. Second compartment of any septic tank shall have a minimum capacity of blank and a maximum capacity of the total capacity of such tank. Answer is 1 cubic meter and 1/3. Second compartment of any septic tank shall have a minimum capacity of 1 cubic meter and a maximum capacity of 1/3 of the total capacity of such tank. (404) Septic tank having over 6 cubic meter capacity, the second compartment may not be less than in blank length. The answer is 1.5 meter length. So, kumpitin nyo na lang. Kasi yan, pagka secondary compartment, 1/3 siya ng total capacity ng tank. Pag first compartment, 2/3 sa capacity ng tank. Kasi ito yung dimension niya, 1.5 by 0.9 meter. Yun. Tingin ko na lang. Septic tanks having over 6 cubic meter capacity. The secondary compartment may not be less than in 1.5 meter length. Answer is 1.5. 405. Access to each septic tank shall be provided by at least 2 manholes, blank in minimum dimension or by equivalent removable cover slab. Answer is 508 millimeter. Access to each septic tank. Tingnan natin. Wala. Sorry. Ulitin ko lang. Access to each septic tank shall be provided by at least 2 manholes, 508 millimeter in minimum dimension, or by an equivalent removable cover slab. The answer is 508. May nag-email pala sa akin sino ba yun? Basahin ko muna yung email, no? Reply na po na kita, si Brian Malyari. May reply na po ako sa'yo sa email. Thank you for subscribing. And I hope na makatulong tong channel pagre-review mo. And if you want to anong tawag ito? Kukuha ng kopya, secure copy, just reply to my email, no? Tapos meron din sa nag-reply na din naman ako sa sa Facebook page. Okay, 406, tuloy na tayo. Wherever a first compartment exceeds in 3.7 meter in length, and blank shall be provided over the baffle wall. What's the answer is additional manhole. Answer is additional manhole. Whenever a first compartment exceeds 3.7 meter in length, additional manhole shall be provided over the baffle wall. (407) Vertical leg of around inlet and outlet fittings shall not be less than in size than the connecting sewer pipe, nor less than blank. Bakit ganito yung tanong? Double check ko lang. Answer is 104.6 millimeter. Yun. The vertical leg of around inlet and outlet fittings shall not be less than in size than the connecting sewer pipe, nor less than 104.6 millimeter. Tama naman. Tama sa reviewer, no? 408. A baffle type fitting shall have the equivalent cross-sectional area of the connecting sewer pipe and not less than blank horizontal dimension when measured at the inlet and outlet pipe inverts. The answer is 106.6. A baffle type fitting shall have the equivalent cross-sectional area of the connecting sewer pipe and not less than a 106.6 mm horizontal dimension when measured at the inlet and outlet of pipe inverts. The answer is 106.6. 409. The inlet and outlet pipe or baffle wall shall extend blank and above at least blank below the water surface. Sorry, hindi na hide. The answer is 101.6 and 304.8. Inlet and outlet pipe or off or baffle shall. Bakit yun? Sorry. Text ko na. Tama. The inlet and outlet pipe or baffle shall extend 101.6 above and at least 300.8 below the water surface. 410. The invert of the inlet pipe shall be at a level not less than blank above the invert of the outlet pipe. The answer is 50.8 mm. The invert of the inlet pipe shall be at least not less than 50.8 mm above the invert of the outlet pipe. The answer is 50.8. 411. In septic tank, the side wall shall extend at least blank above the liquid depth. The answer is 228.6 mm. May ipopromote po maya wala tayo sa Facebook mamaya. 411. Ulitin natin. 411, septic tank, the side wall shall extend at least 228.6 mm above the liquid depth. 412. Use of wooden waffles in septic tanks are prohibited. The answer is yes, true. Use of wooden baffles in septic tanks are prohibited. The answer is true. Excuse me. All septic tank covers shall be capable of supporting an earth load of not less than blank when the maximum coverage does not exceed 9. Answer is... Gumagala yung mouse ko. Sorry. Yun. So, answer is 202.088 PSI. Yun. Yan pala yun. All septic tank covers shall be capable of supporting an earth load of not less than 2.088 PSI and the maximum coverage does not exceed 9.0 meter. 414. All concrete septic tanks shall be protected from corrosion by coating with an approved blank or by other acceptable means at least 101.6 mm below the water. The answer is bituminous coating. All concrete septic tanks shall be protected from corrosion. A coating with an approved bituminous coating or by other acceptable means at least 101.6 mm below the waterline. The answer is bituminous coating. For 15, in a steel septic tank, the minimum wall thickness shall be blank, and each such tank shall be protected from corrosion both internally and externally. The answer is number 12, US gauge or 2.8 mm yung thickness niya. In steel septic tank, the minimum wall thickness shall be number 12 US gauge or 2.8 mm, and each such tank shall be protected from corrosion both internally and externally. For 16, disposal field, clean stone, gravel, slag, or similar filter accepted to the administrative authority varying in size from blank to blank shall be placed in the trench to the depth of the grade. The answer is 19.1 mm to 63.5 mm. Ulitin ko, then sabihin ko na yung sagot. Disposal field, clean storage, clean stone, gravel, or slag or similar filter material acceptable to the administrative authority varying in size from 19.1 mm to 63.5 mm shall be placed in the trench to the depth and grade. The answer is 19.1 to 63.5 mm. 417. Wala tayong commercial ngayon. Teka lang. Maya. When seepage pit is used in combination with disposal pits, the filter material in the trenches shall terminate at least blank from the pit excavation. The answer is 1.5 mm. When seepage pit is used in combination with disposal fields, the filter material in the trench shall terminate at least 105 mm from the pit excavation. Yun, dito muna tayo. Commercial. Yan, ito commercial. For hotel bookings and reservations nationwide, Red Doors, Suns Hotel and Affiliates. Yan, you can contact me to this number 0956-016-2730, 0932-800-1219. Or this is the messenger, my messenger and Facebook page. So, okay, dito tayo. 418 na tayo. Yan, 418. What will be the recommendation of a master plumber when the quantity of sewage exceeds the amount that can be disposed in 152 linear meter of each line in a disposal field? The answer is use a dosing tank. Yan. What will be the recommendation of a master plumber and the quantity of sewage exceeds the amount that can be disposed in 152.4 linear meter of each line in a disposal field? The answer is use of dosing tank. 419. Uy. Sino to? Shout out kay Ipin the Bird. Ano na lang, minimal P po, minimal P. Minimal fee. Para naman makompensate yung pagod natin. Sorry po, ngayon ko lang napansin. Message nyo na lang po ako sa ano. Opo, yun lang po. Shout out Ipin the Bird. 419. In disposal fields, dosing tanks shall discharge once every 3 to 4 hours. And a capacity equal to 2% of the interior capacity of the pipe to be dosed. The answer is 60% to 75%. In disposal fields, dosing tanks shall be discharged once every 3 to 4 hours and capacity equal to 60% to 75% of the interior capacity of the pipe to be dosed. The answer is 60% to 70%. Yan, sanggutin ko muna yung nag-comment, no? Sorry po Ito po yung Facebook page ko. Pakihanap na lang. Or email. Yung number po nandiyan naman sa mga slides. Pakihan na lang. Yun. Nagatan natin siya. 420. Constructing disposal fields, the minimum of filter material under drain lines is blank. The answer is 304.8 mm. Constructing disposal fields, the minimum filter material under drain lines is 304.8 mm. I suggest kung panoorin mo na lang yung lahat ng video previews. Yung mga magre-review, panoorin nyo na lang yung mga previous videos. Yun. Makakatulong naman yun. Tapos, pag self, yung iba, kung wala ka makakuha, self, actually, yun, may naka-appreciate naman, may nakapasa, 2. Nagpasalamat sila. Last exam, nakapasa sila. Nakatulong yung pagre-review na to. Maraming lumabas sa review, no? Yan. 421, the minimum distance between property line adjoining private property and seepage pit or cesspool is 2.4 meter. Minimum distance between property line adjoining private property and seepage pit or cesspool is 2.4 meter. Or 2, each seepage pit, hindi ko natago, sorry. Each seepage pit shall be circular in shape and shall have an excavated diameter of not less than 7.21 feet. Laki ganun siya, pabilog. Okay. 422. Each seepage pit shall be circular in shape and shall have an excavated diameter of not less than 7.21 feet. 3.28, 3.58, 6.56, more than 2 meters ng diameter. 423. In constructing seepage pit, no brick or block shall be greater in height than its width and shall be laid in flat to form at least 901.6 mm wall. The answer is true. Constructing seepage pit, no brick or block shall be greater in height than its width, and shall be laid in flat to form at least 1.6 millimeter wall. The answer is true. 424. All brick or block used in seepage pit construction shall have a minimum compressive strength of blank. The answer is 2,497.62 psi. All brick or block used in seepage pit construction shall have a minimum compression strength of 2,497.62 psi. And the last question for this session. In seepage pit, reinforced concrete slab shall not be less than blank thick and designed to support earth load of not less than blank. The answer is 127 millimeter and 192 kilopascal. In seepage pit, the reinforced concrete slab shall not be less than 127 millimeter thick and designed to support earth load of not less than 192 kilopascal. Yun. Hanggang dyan ang ating session for today, and see you next session for 426 to 450. So, 7 sessions na lang tayo. Matapos na yung part 3. And we will proceed to part 1 na marami yun. Yun, for engineering and architectural design. Yan, NDR Architects and Engineers Design and Consultancy. You can contact us to this number 0956-016-2730, 0998-572-7140. Encourage you to subscribe to this channel, BRICE and Joanna's Adventure. Sa mga hindi pa nakaka-subscribe for more engineering, software reviews, and tutorials, just like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you and good night. Happy long weekend to all.